Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Face of the giant panda sign. So here it is known as the Wilson's disease. This refers to the Wilson's disease. The face of the giant panda sign is in case of the neuroimaging. It refers to the appearance of the midbrain. Appearance of midbrain when the red nucleus and the substantia nigra are surrounded. So this is when the red nucleus and the substantia nigra, they are surrounded by the high T2. They are surrounded by high T2 signal, and this is in the tegmentum. Next we move on to the Kaiser-Fleschner ring. So Kaiser-Fleschner ring, it is seen in presence of the eye. So it is known as a KF ring. There is the serum ceruloplasmin. So serum, what do you check for? The ceruloplasmin. The ceruloplasmin level, it is decreased, and there is a urine copper level. So urine copper level will be increased. Next, the gold standard investigation in case of liver biopsy. This is the gold standard. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.